Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. I am dressed and ready to go to work. The hood is open on my new, old, favorite car, which means one thing. I'm gonna drive it on the road. I'm going to work. Lifting our engine mounts to Jesus, because He lift me up. All right, if you're just tuning in, take a look. This is my new favorite car, 1990 560 SL, and we're taking it to work today. I was worried because I had a little problem here with the radiator, and I've had 3 or 4 people tell me just JB Weld it, okay? It was a teeny tiny little crack, so I did JB Weld it. We're gonna see how long this is going to hold, okay? I do have some extra water, and because the battery, the Mercedes battery is 6 years old, I am taking another little battery charger. Let's just check the oil and see how we're doing here. There is some oil in there, that's good. Could probably use a little more, but it's enough to get me to and from work. So let's get everything ready and let's drive this car on the road. Let me show you what I got in the trunk, and then I want to show you how the seats work, because these are my favorite seats of all time, okay? I have an extra tire, don't know why, the guy just threw it in there. Got the battery charger, got some extra water, so that means we are road ready. Okay, before we go, I do want to tell you that I did order another key. It was a whopping $43 from the dealer. Yeah, 43 bucks for a key. And I got grease on my thumb. Okay, let's listen to her roar. The idle, a little bit rough here. I got to change the spark plugs, but I just could not wait to get in and drive this car. Now, if you've had one of these before, you know there's nothing more annoying than a broken door check. Yeah, this thing has come back and hit me several times. It doesn't stay open. I do want to show you about the seats though, okay? I had a lot of people say, I knew it was rare. They said that it's like super rare for these seats to be like this. Okay, see how they're split? Look at that. Okay, I want you to focus on that right there. We're driving in comfort and you want to go up a little bit. Look, you can push this button. Oh, and it goes up and it goes down. Okay, time for a nap. Okay, you want to stretch out the seat? Yeah, buddy, look at that. Super comfortable. They work. Both seats work. I don't know if I can do this here. Let me see if I can turn this around. All right, let me show you how this works. Okay, this is not stomach. This is like poofy jacket, okay? When I want to relax, if I'm on a road trip and someone else is driving, I got my feet on my pillow. I can watch this. Here, let's see how far we go out, okay? I'm leaning all the way back. This is like super comfortable. Okay, I can go up and down, and I can go back to the upright position. Oh, look at that. Best view in the house right here. No, the best view actually is from the driver's seat. Okay, so let's drive to work. I do want to check and see if it's holding. I don't have any leaks right here at all. I have a little grumble that I want to, I don't know if that's the timing chain. Listen, I hope it's not. We may need some new adjusters. We're gonna go to work and see what happens, okay? Let's do it. If I'm sniffling, I'm sorry, because it's literally like 30 degrees outside. It is really cold. It's 60 one day, and then it's 30 the next. Safety first, put on the seatbelt. And I believe we're off, okay? Jacket, that'll be on TV tonight. Let's just kind of see how we're gonna do this. This is a long car. Best view, told you, best view, right there. Driver's seat. Oh, this is where I live temporarily till Monkey Wrench Mike finds a house. Okay. Let's go here. Speed bump. Super quiet. Super comfortable. Every time I hit the brake pedal, that comes on, which means I need brake pads. We'll get those fixed. Let's open the gate. Look how past the gray poupon as I leave my humble manor. We're about halfway there right now, and the only thing, there's a little popping sound from the front and the back, and it's just when I go over bumps. I don't know if it's just that little A-pillar trim. I'm hoping right there is just, I mean, it's nothing bad, it's just kind of annoying. Nothing structural or anything like that, but here. Yeah, it's like either the dash is loose right there or that little trim piece right there. All right, so this is how we get inside. Oh, I gotta watch out for that hood. Yeah, this is long. This car is long. Can I even get up close enough to the scanner? Okay, here we go. Let's see. Hopefully the window works. Like a dream. Okay. Open sesame. Put the window back up. Listen. It's just quality. Everything in this car is well built and heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. We did it, folks. Okay. And just like that. Just like that, we are here. So let's see how we did with the radiator. See if it's true that JB Weld can actually work. Ooh. Okay. Did it work? Did it work? Kinda. I got a little bitty leak. Not much, but still a leak. Okay, and there's, you can see how rough the engine is. Okay, so the other radiator did arrive. I'm gonna go ahead and put in another radiator just to make sure that everything is fine. All right, kiddos, not much repair in this video, just a lot of admiration. Yeah, loving this old car. Loving, loving, loving. Look up there, see? Love the color, Brazilian tobacco. Brazilian brown. Tobacco brown in Mike Brooks's house. Okay, I don't care for 10 minutes. I don't care how long this is. I just did this to have some fun and see if I could actually make it to work for the first time. A couple of things to fix. We got to get that right there to stop rattling. There's a little rattle in the back. That little tick, tick, tick. I don't know if it's a timing chain. Maybe I can just get a tensioner. Maybe so. And then the pump and the accumulators. Or do I convert this to regular shocks? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I know what you're going to say anyway. You're going to say keep it original, keep it fine, keep it all Mercedes, which is kind of what I want to. All right, we finished 2 newscasts, and I haven't driven the car at night yet. And so let's see what it looks like. Where's the little switch? Ooh, how many light bulbs are out? I don't think any are out. So I don't know if there's one in the door thing right here. I don't think so, but look at this. Look at that. Will it brighten up a little bit? Well, that's as bright as it goes. Okay, and this has moved. I know the time is wrong, the clock, but at least it's moving. All right, so we have made it to work. We have completed half a day's work. Now we're headed to buy dog food for Lola. So we'll do this. We'll wrap it up back at the apartment, the manor, de Monkey Wrench, and then we will have a little summary. So I can't tell you, still super happy about this super cool, super old car. We have arrived. Look at that. She did great. I know you can barely see anything. I do want to tell you that I am missing the lights for the PRND Yeah, the transmission selector. Here we go. Oop, don't look at my cheating candy on my diet. But the heater works, the door windows work, the seat heater works, everything seems to be working. And I'll tell you what, the car is fixing itself, which is fantastic. Remember how when I first bought it, the car had to be in neutral to start? Not anymore. I didn't even think about this. When I was at the station, I jumped in, turned the key, and it started in park. So thank you very much. The steering wheel fixed itself. When I first bought it, it would only go out. But as I drove to work, it went in and out. Okay, watch this. See? Oh. Now it's not doing anything. I wonder why. Does it have to be in drive? Maybe it's got to be this way. Okay, well this just broke itself. Okay, well it was working. Now it's not. See if I can focus right there. Yeah, we're close to 200,000 miles. 199,867 right there. Thank you very much. But that is okay with me because it shifts really, really nicely. I do have a little bit of a rough idle. I can fix that, I think, with some spark plugs. So I think it's going to be an easy fix. Remember the old song, Paradise by the Dashboard Lights? That's what's well, okay, it's not what's happening right now, but I'm happy by the dashboard lights. Look at that. Love this car. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have any tips about this car, I would certainly appreciate it. I am kind of new to the W126 scene. I had one years ago. And of course I got the SEC that I still have to fix up. And I had the 140, which is the year after this, hoping to get another one, which will be the year before this, but that is another story, another video. So, Monkey Wrench Mike, folks, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, please subscribe. Most of all, have a great day. All right, bye-bye.